We are on our national adventure, and this week it's Andrew and the girls for a daddy-daughter date.
Hi, Chloe. I love your goggles.
If you haven't met us yet, this is Andrew. I'm Allison. This is Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. Join us on the adventures. Hit subscribe to never miss an episode. This week, we're at Great Wolf Lodge.
4 o'clock. Got busted. Our rooms are ready and all ready to check in and go to our room now.
Even though check-in is at 4 o'clock, you can arrive early for extra playtime. You can get a water pass and you can access the indoor water park anytime after it opens on your arrival day. So you can show up early and play all day. Number of room options, but for spring break, they have a 50% off. You want to check online for their deals. They also have rooms that are $31 per person where they're starting. And the dates for stay are April through May from the 21st to the 21st, but you've got to book it by March 1st. I'll leave that code in the description box down below.
There, Chloe.
The soap is a little paw.
Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Little paw soaps.
After arriving, more than likely you'll be headed over to the pool for all the water fun.
Right, so Chloe and I are pool buddies, right? We're slide buddies. And Kiara and Carolina are going to be slide buddies. Go. Okay, I'm going to take Chloe now, so let's go together.
Although the water park is contained, it is best to buddy up so that you know where everybody is. Because this is not a family trip, this is just a daddy-daughter date. He did want to make sure the girls were together and he had his eyes on everyone. This is a 100,000 square foot indoor water park and it's kept at 84 degrees all year long. Every stay includes access to the water park from open to close. They've got life jackets and towels that are included in the water park so you can have family fun with tons of daily events. They also have sanitary spaces with place to clean up and Wi-Fi throughout the lodge. If you have not already joined the GWL Voyagers Club, it's free and you earn points on even one-night stays. It's called the Great Wolf Lodge Voyagers Club.
I have our 2-seater and we're headed to the top.
Possibly the best part about Great Wolf Lodge is that it's open year-round, so in the cold months you can enjoy the fun.
That was so fun!
So we ordered lunch, and then while our lunch order was being made, we actually got in a few rides. So expect probably about 15-20 minutes for your food to be made. But you can enjoy rides, and then they'll send you a text message when it's ready. So you can actually just keep having fun while they're making your food, and then go pick it up.
You'll want to go online so you can see their dining deals. They have a platinum dining deal, gold dining deal, silver dining deal, and then the wake up wolf breakfast. You can choose whatever you want to add on or don't add any. Once you arrive, you can choose where you want to go. They have Hungry as a Wolf where they've got pizzas and they've got salads, they've got buckets and burgers and bites. They have the Timber Tacos, Campfire Kitchen, and then something called the Barnwood where they've got great shareable plates.
I've been in charge of holding everybody's drinks.
In addition to all the food items, since this is a kid wonderland, they also have, your donuts, your candy, your ice cream shops, and all that other fun. You may want to check online just to make sure you do get the best option for pricing, but once you arrive, you can always make adjustments and decide what you want to do. Just know that if you're looking for great discounts and deals, you'll want to check out the greatwolflodge.com online to check them out first. They've got 30% off to 20% off. And then you also want to check out Kayak and as well Groupon because they tend to have specific deals that constantly are going on. Consider booking out Monday through Wednesday. Those are gonna be the best price, budget-friendly days, and you'll still have all the fun. And then also, if you cannot stay during one of the weekdays, the best night on the weekends is probably Sunday night. And booking out as far in advance is gonna be the best bet to get the best deal.
Got 1,000 tickets, the biggest one, and they're all being added to my card right now.
Don't miss out on all the fun, including the arcade.
That was my first try.
The Northern Lights Arcade has games, prizes, and fun for all ages. Each time we've been, they've all enjoyed it. We've got kids that are 6, 9, and 11, and they've always enjoyed. It seems like every time we go, they always hit the jackpot, at least once or twice. So this is a lot of fun for all the ages. They all have lots and lots of fun and feel like winners when they leave. You can keep the credits. They never expire, so you can keep adding on to it each stay that you have.
You win! What'd you get, Chloe?
I got
900
tickets.
900 tickets.
Wow! Carolina's going too.
So in addition to the water park, there's tons of other fun options. They've got zip lining, they've got rock climbing, they've got bowling.
Chloe, just get
So
on.
the first round, I knocked down all of them, and then on the second round, I knocked down all of them.
And then of course, when you arrive, you'll wanna make sure that you check out when their dance party is. They've got things happening at every hour, so make sure to check their schedule out so that you can join the fun. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll hit subscribe and never miss an episode.